Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I've just got back from my trip on the River Ouse where I carried that bag on my bike, on my back, got the bike onto the boat and then paddled down to Naburn Lock and then put everything back in the bag and cycled home. I promised you in that video that I'd show you what I had in the bag. Let's have a look, eh? So the bag itself, that weighed about 20 kilos, just shy actually, and marginally less when I went home because obviously I cooked the food and ate that. So, but not an awful lot of difference in all honesty. So yeah, weighed about 20 kilos. Why is it in an Aquamarina bag when I've got an Aquaglide kayak in there? And that's because the Aquaglide kayak bag doesn't actually cut it really. So we'll get everything out and I'll show you what I took with me. Alright, so that's everything that was in this bag. So you've got the boat bag here, so there's the boat, the skeg in there. I did have the paddles in there too. That's the strap that comes with this bag. As you can see, carrying everything with that, that'd be a bit impossible really. So there's the paddle, it is a 4-piece paddle, Go Plus pump, just so that I can inflate the boat and top it up. I had my yak high back vest with me. I also had my little bum bag with me. That was at the front of the boat because it has a few essential sundries in, like shades, batteries, phone and keys. My keys went in there too. This was the other bag that I took with me for all the other gear here. So I had that little knife in the pocket, spare camera tripod. I didn't know what time I was going to get back, so I did take a light with me just in case, but in hindsight not really necessary. Some waterproofs just in case it rained. So there was all the kind of moorings and lashings, so a couple of mooring lines and a paddle leash, and then the blue straps there, those are what I used to lash the bike to the boat, towels to dry everything off afterwards. That's a new little pressure gauge I've got for checking the pressure with a Halky Roberts adapter, quite a handy little thing. Little battery pump. This is the Pump Tech, but there is another one in my Amazon list because this has been rebranded. So you can find that there if you're interested. That's just to put the bulk of the air in and then use that pump just to finish it off. Then I had my foodstuffs. Now what I had here was an Army MRE ration pack, and that's what I made a hot meal with in the boat. So yeah, as I say, that was 20 kilos on my back and it was heavy. It was a heavy trek to do. It wasn't ideal because it was heavy. It was the cycle back actually, because that's 6 miles with that 20 kilos on my back. That was like, it's like having a quarter of me again, because I weighed just shy of 80 kilos. So yeah, it was like having another quarter of me on the bike. So the next day my backside felt a little bit sore, let's put it that way. Can't think of anything for that particular trip that I would have left out. If I wasn't planning on cooking food, yes, obviously I would have left the foodstuffs out and just taken a drink with me. But other than that, that's pretty much the essentials really for that trip. So what do you think? Is there anything that you would or wouldn't have taken? If there is, let me know in the comments. That's all for this little video. It's only a short one. Just wanted to show you, what I took. You take care of yourself. You know what to do about liking and subscribing if you like what I'm doing. Cheerio.